Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and sync library because restoration depends on cloud state. Sign in now. Once done, open Settings or Music Library options to ensure sync library is enabled. This syncs playlists across devices. Next, check for device backups in iCloud or Finder/iTunes that predate the deletion. These can contain playlist metadata. If you find a backup, make note of its date and prepare the device or Mac for restoration. Do not overwrite anything yet. You now attempt recovery via the least invasive method first. Check the music app's recently deleted or iCloud music library on iCloud. Playlists sometimes appear there. If not, prepare to restore from an iPhone/iPad backup by connecting to Finder or iTunes on Mac and choosing Restore Backup. Pick the dated backup you identified earlier. Alternatively, on Apple Music, toggle Sync Library off, wait a moment, then toggle it back on to force a resync. This can resurrect playlists from your app. Finish by confirming the restored playlist appears and that track order and songs are intact. Make a local duplicate or export a list to avoid repeat loss. If you still don't see it, sign out of your Apple ID on Music, restart the device, then sign back in and re-enable Sync Library to force a fresh download. Sometimes metadata lags. If backups lack necessary playlist data or nothing helps, contact Apple support and provide backup dates and Apple ID. This is the key troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.